Hi, my name is Mike Talaga. My family and I moved into this house in July of this past year. And when we first got here, this behind me was a hill, and it came down to here, no retaining wall. It was all rock, grass over here. And one of the first things that we wanted to do when we first moved in the house was to redo the backyard, redo the driveway, remove the cement, and get some paver stone in and a retaining wall. So we looked in the advertisements, and we found Install It Direct on one of the coupon books, and decided to look at them online, and really liked the reviews that they had online. Decided to have them come out and give us an estimate. Brian and Tim came out and gave us a very personal estimate, beautiful design drawing of how they envisioned the backyard and the patio should be, and the driveway and the stairs that we put in front. Very professional and very responsive. We got a couple estimates afterwards. We found that Install It Direct was very competitively priced, and we liked the way that they responded to us, so we decided to go with them. About a week later, a crew came out here. They were on the job nonstop every day, except Sundays, doing everything, and the end result was 1,600 square feet of paver stone, the patio in back here, retaining wall, and the driveway, plus some brand new stairs that we took out a hill up in front. And I can't tell you how happy we are at the end result. It's just a beautiful, beautiful installation. We almost doubled our patio, and we've got a new entryway up front. And we're just so happy with the work that was completed, the responsiveness, professionalism from Install It Direct, and they come highly, highly recommended from my family.